In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your design as a JPG file in Canva. Whether you're looking to share your creations with friends or upload them to a website, saving your design in the right format is crucial. So let's walk through this together. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to the design you've been working on. Once you have your project open and ready, look towards the upper right corner of the screen for a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with a variety of options for how you can distribute or save your design. It's important to use this feature as it not only allows you to share directly on social media or email, but also gives you options to download in different formats. Next up, within that menu, you'll notice an option called Download. Click on it. This is a vital step as it paves the way for you to select the specific file type you need. The download menu is pretty versatile, offering options from PNGs to PDFs, but today we're focusing on getting your design into JPEG format. Now you must select the file format. By default, Canva might have a different file type selected, given your previous downloads or project settings. Look for the current file type option. It's often a button that shows the current format, usually beside the word file type or similar. You'll need to click on this button to open a drop-down menu showcasing all available export options. It's worth noting that JPEG is a popular choice for its balance of quality and file size, making it ideal for web use and digital sharing. Once the menu pops up, look through the list and select the JPG option. This tells Canva that you want to convert your design into a JPEG format. Why JPEG? Well, it's widely recognized and accepted, providing decent quality images at manageable file sizes, making it perfect for emailing or posting online where fast load times are crucial. Finally, once you've selected JPG, there's just one last step between you and your saved image. Click on the download button at the bottom of the menu. Canva will begin processing your request. It usually takes just a few moments depending on the complexity of your design and your internet speed. After processing, the file will be saved to your designated download folder, ready for you to use however you see fit. And there you have it, you've successfully saved your design in JPEG format using Canva. This simple method ensures that your projects are saved in a universally compatible form, making them easy to share and distribute. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher on these steps.